Hi, I'm Pallav from Just Tutors, and today we will learn more about carbon and its compounds. So these are the points to discuss today. We will learn something more about carbon and what is saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. So before we move further, I want you to try these questions. You can pause the video, try these, then we'll move on. Well, these are the answers of given questions. I hope you got the correct answers. Let's move on now. So carbon shows one of the important property which is called catenation. Catenation is a property in which the element can make a long chain with the same elements. Like in case of carbon, carbon can make very long chain of carbon atoms. So it can have the carbon atoms in the chain, the number of carbon atoms in the chain is like 60 and more than 60 as well. And the valency of carbon is 4. So like it has the 4 valence electrons, due to which it can make bond with most of the elements. One more important thing, like carbon make very strong bonds with atoms, and with carbon atom the chain formed by carbon is very strong because it has very small size, due to which the nucleus holds the shared electrons very strongly. Now let's move on. Carbon can make single, double, and triple bonds. We have example for that. For alkanes, we have particular group according to the bonds. If the carbon chain has single bond, we have alkane. We say it's alkane, and if it has double bond, we say alkene, and if it has triple bond, we say alkyne. So it can make single, double, triple bonds. And if carbon has single bond, if carbon chain has single bond, we call it saturated compounds. And if it has double or triple bond, we call it unsaturated carbon compounds. So we will learn more about it. Let's talk about saturated. As we discussed, these compounds are joined by joined with other atom by single bonds only. This bond is weaker than double and triple bond. Yeah. So that's why saturated compounds are weaker than unsaturated compounds. Well, these are some examples like we have discussed about alkanes. So we can see that in all these compounds we have single bond only. So these, and it may have the saturated compounds may have different structures as well, like chain, rings, and branch. Then we have unsaturated carbon compounds. Unsaturated carbon compounds are the compounds in which we have at least one double or triple bond. And these are stronger than saturated compounds because these had double and triple bond, and which is stronger than single bond. We have some examples here. So ethylene we have, acetylene we have, and we have some other examples as well here. Now let's move on. So we have some questions now. You can pause the video, try these questions, then we will check the answers. These are the answers of given questions. I hope you got the correct answers. Well, thanks for watching this video. For more, you can visit justtutors.com. Thank you.